I will talk about the InCare Project, which is about care for older people living in the community, or improved care for older people living in the community. We work in 3 different countries, in Austria, in North Macedonia, and in Spain. And in all 3 countries, we do different things based on different local needs. In Austria, this is about better information for people who receive care, so they can make better decisions on what kind of care they want to receive. It's about relieving informal carers. In North Macedonia, the unmet need is support for people who live alone and in an emergency, for example, when they've fallen. And in Spain, the need is also about support for informal carers, in this case of carers of people who live with dementia. And InCare works with a theory of change approach. So we have a very diverse group of local stakeholders who were involved in designing the projects. So, for example, older people themselves, informal carers and their representatives, policymakers from different levels as well, providers, advice centers, and so on, who were all involved in the theory of change workshops. So in these theory of change workshops, people come together and decide what kind of impact, what aim do we want to work towards, which impact do we want to achieve, and what actions do we think are needed for that, what are our assumptions. So it's about making explicit the implicit theory of how an intervention works. And in this case, it's been used to design the pilot project. So 1 pilot project in each country that was designed by a local group of diverse stakeholders. And the answers that we've come up with, so in Austria, it's integrated care, and it's a variety of smaller interventions that we're doing. So it's about more flexible outreach consultations. It's about information, a lot of on how information is shared and better networking among the different stakeholders as well. And then trainings for professional carers so they can support informal carers better. In North Macedonia, in this case, we are working in an urban area. So the pilot is just in Skopje, and it's an emergency button service that people living alone can use free of charge. And in Spain, it's a group of psychologists providing support for carers of people living with dementia. And they don't only provide psychological support, but it's also about case and care management and helping them find better, improve the care that the care receiver gets.